Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hadijah Rahma. My topic proposal is analysis of language use in the community. The first material background. The relationship that exists between language and society is the relationship between certain forms of language, which are called variants, varieties or dialects, and their use for functional purposes. Certain functions in society. To see the relationship between nobility and language, we take the example of Japanese speaking community. Problem statement. The first, how is the use of grammar in the community? Number 2, language influence in society. Objective of research. The purpose of this study is to know how the use of grammar in the community and what is the language effect on the life of the community. Significance of the research. Readers can know how the use of language in the community can find or analyze the pattern of grammar and know the language of effect and community life. Next, researchers. It is expected that researchers can further examine the use of grammar in the community. Language helps understand the culture of society through analysis of language structures and use. The language helps overcome communication barriers. Language support cross-cultural understanding and encourage cooperation between communities with different language backgrounds. Scope of the research. The scope of the study focuses on how the grammar and use of the effect of the language, how to use the usage of language use in the community. Review of research literature. Definition of language. According to Charles Hackett, the language is a system consisting of elements such as sound, words, and grammatic rules used to communicate ideas between individuals. Use of language in the community. The first, communication. Language is the main tool to convey ideas, information, and emotion between individuals in a community. Next, cultural identity. Language reflects a cultural heritage of a society and helps to form a collective identity. Next, social interaction. Language plays a key role in everyday interaction, forming relationship between individuals and determining the social norm. Next, education. Language is used as a major medium in the learning process, forming an individual way of understanding the world. Next, the formation of opinion. Language affects how to think and how to form the views and opinions in society. Next, the effect of power. The use of the language can also reflect and affect the dynamics of power in society. The effect of language use in the community. Positive impact of language in the community. Effective communication. Language enables effective information exchange, strengthening cooperation and supporting the development of healthy relationships between individuals. Introduction of cultural identity. Language helps maintain and develop cultural identity, preserve cultural heritage, and improve diversity within society. Solidarity formation. The use of language can strengthen the sense of solidarity and togetherness among community members, creating strong social bonds. Education and development of intellectual language playing the main role in education. Supports the development of critical thinking skill and facilitate the transfer of knowledge from one generation to the next. Negative impact of language in the community. Discrimination and gap. The use of language can be a discrimination tool, creating the social and economic gap between groups who speak different language. Political polarization. Language can be used as a political tool to build tension and polarization in society, creating conflict and split. Stigma and stereotypes. Selecting words or dialects can create social stigma and recapture stereotypes that can harm certain groups in society. The effect of media and globalization. Globalization and language use of the media can change or replace local language, threatening sustainability and diversity of language in the community. Research design. Because this research aims to analyze how language is used in the community and also to describe in detail the use of language that people use in everyday life. Language use can also be determined by the place and location of interaction. Official situations participate in language selection. Bilinguals will choose a particular language in official situations that is different from the language used in unofficial situations. Place and time. This research was conducted in November 2023. Researchers analyzed data from several papers or journals. Population and sample. The population in this study is regional. Population is a generalization area consisting of subjects that have qualities and certain characteristics set by the research to be studied and then draw conclusions. Instrument of the research. The instrument in this research is a cell phone. Procedure of collecting data. Make sure the cell phone is connected to the internet network because searching for data on a cell phone requires using data. Search for papers and journals because the source of information I got was from papers and journals. Start analyzing data. After collecting the data, the author began analyzing the data. Resource data analysis. Descriptive statistical analysis techniques that can be used in code. Presentation of that data in the form of tables or frequency distributions and cross-tabulation or cross-tab. With this analyze trends in the findings will be no research whether it falls into the low, medium, or high category. Presentation of data in visual form such as histograms, polygons, ogives, diagrams, bar charts, pie charts, pastel charts, or pie charts, and symbol charts. Calculation of measures of central tendency or median model. Calculation of localization measurements or quantiles, decilize, and percentiles. Calculation of distribution measures or standard deviation, variance, strength, deviation, quantiles, mean deviation, and so on. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.